Hello guys, CBR Tech Reviews here, back again with another video. This video here is going to be basically about if you have an iPhone 6, 6S, 6 Plus, 6S Plus, any kind of iPhone where the earpiece right here is actually so low when you put it to your ear you can't barely hear anything, or it's very muffled, and you try to clean it out from the outside with some alcohol wipes and just scrubbed it with a toothbrush or a metal wire brush, and it doesn't do the trick. So basically what happens is whoever had the phone, or if it's your phone and you got it dirty and you got gunk all in this earpiece. I don't know what it could be. It could be anything from earwax to spilled pocket lint or whatever it could be. This is the way to fix it properly. Usually it is an easy fix. You don't have to buy any extra parts, nothing. So I'm gonna get straight to the point of after opening the device. So the first thing you do is you open the device and make sure you disconnect the battery prong, and then you take out the screen. Taking out the screen, you want to visually inspect to make sure that there is no water damage or anything in the device which caused it to, have no volume or have no, or you couldn't hear anything But anyways, after you get it taken apart, after you inspected the device and everything, what you want to do is you want to take out these screws here, and that's what I am going to do. So basically, after you've taken out the 3 screws, you want to make sure you put them screws in a nice secure place, and keep your screws where they belong. Or after you get ready to put your screws back, you know what screw goes in what hole. So after you take it out them 3 screws, what you want to do is you want to peel this piece right here back, and you want to take this camera hole, or this front facing camera, try to do this while on camera, and then you want to take this earpiece out. So once you've taken this earpiece out, you want to inspect this earpiece and make sure there is no extra gunk. If there is, clean it. Usually this is not the culprit. The culprit is usually not this. This is what actually makes the sound. So 99% there is nothing wrong with this. What is wrong with this device is usually this ear mesh. As you can see here, can't see any light. Yeah, this earpiece is so dirty that even though when somebody talks, you can't hear anything, because this hole right here is obstructed with earwax and gunk. So look at that. That's why you cannot hear anything. This is why no sound can come through that hole. It's because it is filled up. So what you want to do is you want to get you a alcohol, a little bit of alcohol and Q-tip. Alcohol. Pause this video. So after a few minutes of scrubbing with alcohol, as you can see light through that filter, through this mesh right here. That's actually the mesh that catches all the earwax, all the gunk, all your chocolate bars, all your Snickers, all your whatever you have in your pocketbook, all your lint. As you can see here, right there tells me right there it's working properly now. I don't even have to test it, because I've done this many times, and before I found out that it was not the earpiece, I looked further, because I keep on site. What is up? After further inspection, it is this mesh. A lot of people tear the mesh, but it actually doesn't do the phone any good. It's because particles can actually get into the earpiece and actually ruin the earpiece. So sooner or later you're gonna have to replace that earpiece. Why not do it properly and do it right and just clean it out? It don't take but maybe 15-20 minutes. You could do this yourself if you are tech savvy enough to take a step apart and do it yourself, or you could pay somebody like a cell phone store to actually do it. This this right here, for me to do this for a customer, is $59. Takes about 15-20 minutes, but like I said, you don't have to. If you've got the tools, if you're handy enough to do it yourself, if you trust yourself to do it, save yourself $59. This is really no parts involved. This is just plain labor. So $59, and about 20-25 minutes later, you'll have a loud working earpiece. Anyways, I hope this helped. If you like what you see and it actually helped you out, please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you, and I'll talk to you in the next one.